Welcome to our Summer STEM Camp 2026 at Garcia Middle School. This year, we are giving the students an opportunity to learn more about engineering design process through the Spheros, Glowforge, and 3D printing.
My role here as a STEM instructor is to bring kids into Summer STEM Camp to make sure that they have an opportunity to be engaged, use technology, and get creative while they're using their Sphero Bolt and becoming little engineers. Sphero Bolt Plus is a programmable robot. It helps students learn coding, robotics, also problem solving through hands-on activities. While using the Sphero Edu app, students can code the robot to move or react to sensors, as well as display lights and complete exciting challenges while also developing STEM skills in a fun and engaging way.
So my role here at STEM Camp is taking care of the 3D printing with students. So they get to use the 3D printers, they design stuff, and then this doesn't only give them that experience at an early age, but they also get to think about careers that they want to take on. So 3D printing allows students to turn their digital designs into real physical objects. By using computer-aided software and a 3D printer, students get to develop their creativity, their engineering process, problem solving, and they design skills while bringing their ideas to life through hands-on STEM learning.
So at our STEM camp, students are learning about critical thinking skills. It's really important that kids know how to collaborate, think critically, be creative, and solve real-world problems. With our Glowforge machines, we are learning about entrepreneurship, where students have the real-world potential to create income in their future.
The kids are engaged, they're having fun. We really want to encourage parents to continue bringing their kids to sign up. Our summer STEM camp is truly out of this world. Join the adventure and see why everyone is excited to be part of it.